ticket and your receipt.
Pistol, Plat. Okay. Pistol on me right now. Pistol, Plat.
Hey man, let the cook man. Like I said earlier, camera dead, but he's still real. You know what I'm saying? These J's don't come out till Christmas. These ball mains, this Versace, that's crazy. 20 on my neck, 30 on my wrist. Eat my dick, bitch. I'm getting that money out here. Fuck what they talking about. They might not like it. Fuck no. Ooh, camera splash. You know what that means? So catch me in my natural act. I don't know problem. I'm not trying to act cool. I'm that man.
Hey, we ain't hollering at nobody else. You know what I'm saying? They ripping for the agency. We ain't hollering at nobody else.
Real street in the street for real, they vouch for me.
Wake up to get up and get it. 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 Who with it? Let's get it. Wake up to get up and get it. Who with it? Let's get it. Wake up to get up and get it.
Top-notch ENT, man. We on the motherfucking move, man. It's either jump on the bandwagon now, cause later on it's gonna be too motherfucking late, man. Fly City Films, Top-notch ENT, Big Money Management, Pistol Plat, man, is going down. You know what I mean? Be looking out for that gutter bean coming soon too, man. Hey, Top-notch like the Army, better yet the Navy.
Stay down till you come up, nigga. Looking at
Pistol Plat. I woke up with some problems, baby. This drink I sip on solid, baby. That bitch that cat don't gotta say, I've been a catch a body, baby. I fell in love with the Strivers. I go to sleep with the mask. Chopper put him on his back. I'm gangsters, don't know how to act. I live it, you niggas just rap. I live it, you niggas just rap. I live it, you niggas just rap. Pistol Plat.
Can't deny. Desi Brooks. You can follow me at Desi.Brooks on Instagram and on Snapchat. And I'm with my boy BG. You got anything to say?
Bow. Pistol Plat 5. Y'all already know what it is.
Andale. My amigo, he on the way. Double count the cash. Give it straight to Jose. You don't get a pass. Everybody must pay. Rubber band it up. Put it in a suitcase. Hurry up. I got a problem. I just got that nigga sober. The Zen is all over. The money is all over. The drink is all over. The kush is all over. The Addy's all over. I just can't stand it sober. The drink is all over. The cookies all over. Scripts all over. I hate being sober. I put an 8 in a cola. I stay awake on the rollers. One more hit, I'm a goner. Xanny's got me in a coma. Blowing gas like a dually truck. Pulled up to the Walgreens with my anything for a script. Hard beating.
Top-notch entertainment, man. Hey, this the time, man. You know what I mean? You gotta goddamn execute on your goddamn opportunities. You know what I mean? Anybody can have a motherfucking idea. You just gotta execute that bitch, my nigga. You know what I'm gonna get these motherfucking fans something to look at. And that's what we're gonna do this year. The Zen is all over. The money's all over. The drink is all over. The kush is all over. The Addy's all over. I hate being sober.
Pistol Plat.